In this video, I'll walk you through the straightforward process of adding a debit or credit card to your Wise account. So whether you're new to Wise or looking to enhance your financial management skills, follow along for a step-by-step guide. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you're ready to add your debit or credit card to Wise, kick things off by logging into your Wise account, whether you prefer using the app or the website. And once inside, navigate to the specific account where you want to link your card. Now, keep an eye out for the add or plus icon, usually situated in a menu or section related to payments. And as you initiate the process, Wise might ask you about the amount you wish to add, so simply choose the desired amount and hit continue to move forward. Next up, you will encounter various payment methods. Now, opt for debit or credit card option depending on what suits your need. Then, after making your selection, proceed by clicking on the Continue to Pay button. Then, Wise will then prompt you to provide essential card details. This includes like your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then, once you've filled in these details, you're all set. Wise will take care of processing and adding your debit or credit card to your account seamlessly. Adding your card to Wise is a straightforward process, but if you run into any hiccups or have specific questions along the way, then don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.